In the beginning, the earth was formed, not by accident, but by design. Mountains that kiss the sky, oceans that echo eternity, forests that breathe with life, all created by the hands of the Almighty. On land, the God masterpiece unfolds, towering peaks carved with divine precision, valleys bathed in golden light, forests so ancient they remember time. From the lion's roar in the savannah to the gentle tread of deer in the misty woods, every creature moves with purpose, guided by instinct and something deeper. There are over 8.7 million species on Earth, each unique, each breathtaking, 1 billion patterns, none the same. Trees speak in silence, flowers bloom with grace, even the deserts whisper praise to the one who gave them form. This is nature, through the eyes of wonder. Beneath the surface of the sea lies another world. A cathedral of coral, rivers of light, creatures glowing in the dark, as if heaven touched the ocean floor. Whales sing in symphonies, dolphins dance with joy. The ocean is not empty. It is alive, filled with praise, from the deepest trenches to the rolling waves. Who else but the God could paint such a world, with no audience but himself? The earth gives food, medicine, water, shelter, herbs that heal, trees that shade, rain that nourishes, fruits that burst with life. Bees pollinate with devotion, rivers carve through stone, sunlight kisses every leaf as if the world was made to thrive. And perhaps it was. Look closely. Every petal, every feather, every tide and trail. This is not chaos. This is creation. A divine signature left in every drop of rain, in every gust of wind, in the heartbeat of the earth. We are not just visitors in this world. We are part of the wonder. This is nature. This is beauty. This is the art of God. Welcome to Nature with Chameleon's Eyes.